In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can restrict movies from playing on the iPhone 12 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then in here, tap on Content Restrictions. Now we put in the screen time passcode. Next, we're going to go down and tap on Movies. And if you want to restrict movies, you choose Don't Allow Movies. Or alternatively, you can set your movies rating to G, PG, M, and so on. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.